through this video I'm explaining how acids they react with metals. Okay, now first of all, for simplicity I take the sodium metal and I reacted with the acid HCl. Right, now see how you're going to form the products. This Na, it will combine with Cl to give you one salt, NaCl. And what else are you left with now? You are left with H. But we know that H, it exists, hydrogen, it exists in nature in the diatomic form, that is in the H2, hydrogen gas form, right? Now I have got the whole equation of the reaction of a metal with an acid. Now I see that whether the equation is balanced or not. Okay, now on the left hand side I have only one sodium atom, and on the right hand side also I have one sodium atom, because there is nothing written after Na. On the left hand side I have just one Cl atom, and on the right side also I have just one Cl atom. Fine, so these are balanced. On the left side I have one hydrogen atom, while now on the right hand side I have two hydrogen atoms, right? So I will make this also as 2. Fine, but in making hydrogen as 2, what I find is that now I have 2 chlorine atoms on the left hand side. Why? Because this 2 will be multiplied with H as well as with Cl. This 2 will be multiplied with H as well as with Cl. Fine. Now on the left hand side I have 2 hydrogen atoms. On the right hand side also I have 2 hydrogen atoms. On the left hand side I have 2 chlorine atoms, and on the right hand side I have 1 chlorine atom. So I make this again as 2. But in making chlorine as 2, what I find is that now on the right hand side I have 2 sodium atoms, because 2 will be multiplied by sodium as well as with chlorine. Fine. So 2 sodium atoms on the right hand side. So what do I do on the left? I make this also as 2. This is how you will balance it. We have already discussed balancing. Now let's check once again. 2 sodiums on the left, 2 sodiums on the right, 2 hydrogens on the left, 2 hydrogens on the right, 2 chlorines on the left and 2 chlorines on the right. So finally I will write the balanced equation again. 2Na plus 2HCl will give you 2NaCl plus H2. Now H2 we know is a gas, so we denote it using an upward arrow. Now whenever, in general also, whenever a metal reacts with an acid, hydrogen gas is always liberated. Fine, we will do the exceptions later. Now let's take another example of the metal magnesium. In the first equation I took the metal sodium. Now let me take the example of the metal magnesium with HCl. Again, how will I form the product? Over here I combined sodium and Cl to form my salt, sodium chloride. This is the salt that I have got. Fine. Now in this I will combine magnesium with Cl to give me magnesium chloride. Now in class 9th we have done that. What is the formula of magnesium chloride? MgCl. The valency of magnesium is 2 and the valency of Cl is 1. When you cross multiply, what do you get? MgCl2. Fine. So magnesium chloride will be MgCl2. Fine. What else is left? H. So I write H here, but in diatomic form. My next step will be checking whether the equation is balanced or not. 1 Mg on the left, 1 Mg on the right, balanced. 1 Cl on the left while 2 Cl on the right. So I write a 2 here. But this 2 will be multiplied with both H and Cl. So now 2 Cl on the left, 2 Cl on the right, 2 H on the left and 2 H on the right. So this is my balanced equation. I am writing it once again to make it clear. Mg plus 2HCl will give me MgCl2 plus H2, which is a gas. As I said, in the reaction of metals with acids, H2 will be liberated, and along with that you will get a salt. Let us try one more example of, let's say, zinc. Zinc, when it reacts with HCl, what will it give? Okay, again the metal will combine with Cl to give you zinc chloride. Now the valency of zinc is again 2. This will be your Cl 1. So you will get ZnCl2 as your salt here. ZnCl2 plus what is left? H, but we will write that in the diatomic form. Now let us see whether the equation is balanced or not. 1 Zn on the left, 1 Zn on the right. 1 Cl on the left, but 2 Cls on the right. So I make this 2, right? But this 2 will be multiplied with both H and Cl. So let us see. 2 Cls on the left, 2 Cls on the right, 2 hydrogens on the left and 2 hydrogens on the right. So this is your balanced equation of the reaction of zinc with hydrochloric acid. Again you are getting the gas hydrogen along with the salt zinc chloride. So this is how you react metals with acids.